Wait, did anybody get the memo about what tonight's theme is going to be for the live? No. Okay. Tonight is not about me or my relationship or my relationship status or if I'm married. Tonight is about you guys. So I would like anyone who's in the room to call in. Yeah, that's right. Every time I come on live, y'all question me. So it's my time to question you guys. Okay? It's my turn. My turn to question you guys. Now, if you have a relationship problem that you would like to discuss, call in and I'll do my best to give you my relationship advice. Now, please note, I am not a professional therapist or anything like that. I'm just dropping that disclaimer right now. So, with that being said, take all my advice with a pinch of salt. Alright? There is anybody who is willing to call in with a relationship question, who needs relationship advice, let me know. Don't fully know how to operate this thing, this interface as yet, but I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. A grain of salt, a pinch of salt, any amount of salt you want to take. Any amount. A cup of, maybe that's a bit too much, because that's like, that more than high blood pressure. No brave souls? Nobody brave tonight? What should I call this segment? Dr. Kirk? Therapists are called doctors, right? There we go.
Hear me now?
Hello. Am I just not hearing?
You are one man in the area to marry, so leave me up
Hold
quick
on.
and
Give me a
fast.
second. Sorry. Hold on. We're having some technical difficulties. Please. We thank you for your patience. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, may I hear you?
Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk.
Man in the area.
Come again?
Dr. Kirk.
Yes.
One nice Asian man to marry. So leave me up.
You want a nice Asian man to marry?
Yes. You call them own culture. Not with 5, 6, 10 years and nobody not married. No, stop to get them up on that culture.
Oh boy. Alright. So, first, where are you from, by the way?
I'm living St. Elizabeth the best. Sorry.
You live in St. Elizabeth. Nice. Alright. So, one advice I would give you regarding that is, you shop in wholesales?
Of course, I just tell him I want to take your time.
Yeah, man, so you're not just give
my money.
You know, give one of the Chinaman some sweet talk and then, get the number and move on from there, man.
One of them tell me to me too, but I don't doubt this year. One thing I'm not going to tell me to me too, but I take my money put down the side.
Oh, no. Well, here's the thing. I think that's very common for Chinese people. We prefer women who are on the slimmer side.
Yeah,
so, if you really want a Chinese man, maybe consider like jogging or try to cut down a little bit.
No.
All right, find one who can manage a fluffy then. You see me? Well, all right. So basically, you need like a workout and diet routine. If you want to seriously lose weight, the only thing you need to focus on is basically consuming less calories and burning more calories. So less calories in, more calories out. I don't know, darling. Maybe it's the food, the type of food that you eat on a regular basis that can be very fattening as well. Because, for example, stew chicken is very fattening if you eat it like every day. Especially if you put like a lot of gravy on your rice and that kind of thing. Yeah. Control your calories and jog more if you can.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we like to ask the question for you.
Alright, darling. Alright, darling. Take care. Alright, next up. So the discussion is about relationships, really. So if you have a relationship problem, please call in and I'll give you my best relationship advice that I can muster up.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
Well, it doesn't hurt. Just wanted a few pointers.
Sure.
Well, actually, it's no relationship. I'd like to venture into one, but I just need a few pointers. Like, if you like somebody, like, how would you approach them? What would be, like, a pickup line, or what would you say to someone that you like? And you want
Me personally?
them? Yeah.
Depends on the situation. So, for example, in person, I just talk to them directly. Alright, if it's in person, maybe like at a bar or, depends on the setting and situation, really. So use your setting and situation to the best of your advantage and take it from there. So if you want to use like a pickup line, that's fine. If you can use a simple hi, that's fine. Considering you're a woman, it should be very easy for you. A simple hi would probably get the guys going like, hey, the conversation will start from there. It's a lot easier for women to approach men and have like a decent conversation.
Really?
Yes.
Not all
really.
women are brave out here.
No. It's not about being brave. Like, you can simply just say hi.
Hi, and that's it? No?
Yeah. Trust me, a guy does not need much, okay? A guy does not need much. A simple, hi, how are you? That's it, right? If the guy's interested in you, he'll carry on the conversation more and more. Right? And if he's not interested, then save your time.
Right. Makes sense.
Yeah. I hope that helped.
A little bit.
All right. Take care.
Yeah.
Hello, good night. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
Good night, doctor. I can speak patois preference.
Yeah, man, you can chat patois anything you want, chat, man.
Alright, my father. You are going.
Yeah, tell me what I got.
Alright, yesterday the other day, we meet a girl. She never liked me. But me did a hustle under the side, you see me? And so I buy a BMW. And all of a sudden the girl like me, but I want that to be with her because my wife they are foreign and I really are getting a front and them. You understand what I mean by front?
Jesus Christ. That one is spicy.
Yeah, me know I gimmicks it out. I really think me attack. My woman a friend help me buy the BMW still. I'm not telling a lie, you see me, but we kinda did a talk about having an open relationship. I don't think she necessarily have a problem with me having another female, but I wonder cause I wonder if I test me to say yo, you know what I mean? You see if me really do it.
Alright, me I gonna tell you what me would I do, right? Since you and your wife say, alright, we're gonna have an open relationship, that pretty much gives you the green light. Right? You get the green light for basically do what you want. Yeah, talk about it.
So we never but she it's like she has to she specifically
Hold on, you're chipping on out.
Alright, she said to me, if that's what makes you happy, then I am fine with it.
Okay.
For some strange reason, I feel like that. Sorry. I'm not young, 20.
Alright.
I'm 27 and she at 30.
So the first thing Muda says is get a confirmation, right? You need to have an open and honest discussion with your wife, right? If she's serious, right? Because if she's not serious and she test you or play some little game, no play no game with her. Straight up.
Yeah, but me on that, it's funny how after me start talk to her about that, she send the money for me buy the BMW. So me don't know what go on. You know what I mean? She send the money and make up and buy the BMW, and then she just extra nice all of a sudden. Me just afraid.
Well, if you're afraid, if your conscience I tell you don't do it, then don't do it. Right? But me I tell you what me would I do, right? If me talk to my wife and then both of we agree, say, all right, we are going to have an open relationship. She live a foreign, you live a yard, right?
Yeah.
Once you live a yard and you want your woman company, cool? If she can say, oh, all right, cool, she accept that and then she do her thing, you do your thing. Cool.
Yeah.
Then, and only then.
Hold on. Hold on.
Alright. Oh boy. So yeah, if you're in an open relationship, then it's fine to look the other woman or whatever, but that girl specifically, I would not. Because if she never want you before the BMW and she want you after the BMW, if the BMW if it broke down or crash, the relationship will go broke down and crash too. So no. Next woman. Sabi, good night.
Good night.
Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
It hurts a lot.
Oh no, that's sad to hear. What is the problem?
Yes, that one. I want to know why men love to dance and women.
Come again. You're breaking up a little.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm saying I don't know why some men love to put their hands on women. It's just kind of weak.
We're talking like in the relationship?
Yes.
As in hitting a woman?
Because,
Come again?
yes. Or even trying to be like they trying to play in an aggressive way.
Well, alright, so I think everything has a time and a place, right? So it depends on what you like and what he likes as well. Because when you say a man likes to put his hands on his woman, I'm one of those men that will put my hands on my woman and play with her rough. But I know my limit, right? I know my limit in terms of like, I won't pass a certain intensity. Right? So I would...
I think men don't know, especially the Jamaican, I won't say Jamaican man, because they're the only one I know, so I won't say that. But I think most of the men are being too aggressive when it comes to playing around with their women. And sometimes they will choose to do it to think that if they see somebody that they think that might like you differently, they think that to test you, do a test run to see if something is going on.
Well,
so they become a play and it will be a bit too aggressive.
I would say talk to them and then tell them what you're okay with and what you're not okay with.
Okay.
Right? So for me, for example, in one of my past relationships, because I like playing rough, I would like wrestle the girl, slap her on her butt, all kinds of things, pull her hair randomly, that kind of thing, right? So I'm into that kind of stuff and she liked that kind of stuff, okay? But I've never, for example, slapped her on her hand, her belly, face, or anything like that, right?
because with my partner,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes he will hold me, and
Mm-hmm.
when I said to him that you're holding me 2 times,
Mm-hmm.
he will let go, but my type of skin need the burn.
Mm-hmm.
Hit me. Yeah.
Well, yeah. Just talk to
Always
him.
telling that I don't like that because my
Mm-hmm.
skin is a bit soft
Yeah.
and it will show like you hit me.
Yeah. I get you. I get you. So yeah, just talk to him, and that's all I can say. It's up to him to listen. Because if he's not listening after you tell him you don't like it, then he's the one who's doing the wrong here. Right. And then you can do whatever you want to correct those wrongs if you like.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. So hope that helped.
Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you for calling. Yeah, communication is always key in a relationship. If you have good communication, then your relationship can always grow. You can always grow stronger as a couple with good communication. But once you stop communicating with your partner, relationship starts to break down and deteriorate. Hello. Thank
Good
you for
night.
calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
Dr. Kirk, I am not in a relationship, but I just love you so much that I had to come up here to say, Kirk, I love you bad. All the way from Trinidad. Vocalists love you. You hear what I say?
Thank
Vocalists love you.
you. Thank you,
So,
vocalist.
something else I was about to tell you, Kirk, with your fine, sexy self. If two people communication skills is really on point, it still does relationship will work because understanding is very important. You could communicate all you want. If the other person lacks that understanding, you're talking to a wall, It comes like a
Yes.
monkey talking to a chicken and there's no understanding but they're communicating.
Yes, I agree. Because compatibility has a big factor to play with that as well.
Exactly. So as far as I'm concerned, I say I have to let my sexy Jamaican Asian know that communication still needs the understanding and country vocalists love him. But go on, baby.
All right, thank you very much. Yes, communication, compatibility. There's a whole lot of factors involved in making a relationship good and working. Relationships take work, right? I tell every girl I'm interested in dating that I'm looking for somebody who can grow old with me, right? Once we cross that bridge of like marriage, then yeah, it has to be us growing together. It's us against the world. That's it. I'm not taking anything less than that. If I can't grow with you, then I don't want you. Simple. What kind of race do you date? I have dated almost every race before. I've dated Asian, black, white, Indian. The only thing missing is probably a Latina. I'm a Libra. I have dated multiple Jamaican women before, yes. I'm not sure if one of them is in here or not, actually. But yeah. If you are, Wagwan Drankro.
Hello?
Hello. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
I'm wondering, like, if you know someone for a long time, right? And then unexpectedly they, like, confess that they love you or something. But you don't feel the same way. How do you reject them without breaking the friendship or something? Without making it awkward?
That's the tricky part, because honesty is always key. You want to be honest as possible, but if they can't handle that rejection, that's not your fault.
What if it's someone, like, associated with you, like, business-wise? And you need
Then that's a bit trickier.
Yeah.
Right? So if it's somebody who works with you and you have to be true to yourself. If you don't feel the same, you can't force yourself to feel the same. That's the first thing. So even if they work with you, even if they don't like you, or afterwards, after you rejected them, then that's on them. Try to still keep it professional, but you know that that friendship is dead because of that rejection, to be honest.
Okay. So
Eventually,
you think,
what were you asking?
the guys, they would mostly maintain a friendship for that, like, chance to be together with you or something?
It depends what his intentions were in the first place. Because if he had created that friendship for the sole fact that he wanted you in a relationship in the first place, then there wasn't a real friendship to begin with.
Oh, we were like connected business-wise first, and then he started like catch feelings, and then that happened. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. So there's nothing
Cut it
else you
off?
can do but be honest
Okay.
and
Thank
let
you.
whatever comes.
Yeah.
Hope that helped.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. Do I live upstairs? I will sip my tea and ignore that question. At the same time, if he's the one that says, hey, I want to be more than friends, and she says, no, I don't feel the same, then both are just expressing their honest feelings. And if both can't agree on taking it further than friendship, then there is no more than friendship. There is no relationship. My photographer is Ripe Plantains. She is the one that took this picture. So if you guys want some photography work done, go ahead and follow her page and contact her. No, I was born in China, but I came here when I was 3 years old. What has the worst experience being dating a Jamaican woman? That's a good question. Worst experience dating a Jamaican woman. Think. Is it because I'm very blunt and very cutthroat? I don't keep up with bullshit. Alright? I'm the type of guy that will take you out to a nice dinner. And if you keep up your bullshit, at the end of the night, I'll tell the waiter, separate check please. I'm that kind of guy. But if you behave yourself, I'll take you anywhere you want. I'll do almost anything for you. Yeah, I don't have a worst experience. I don't. No, it's true. Like, I'm fine with paying for all my dates. But if at any point, like for example, one time, there was this girl I was talking to who I did not know was a food digger. Now, for those of you who don't know what a food digger is, this is the type of woman that would ask you to take her out to dinner, but have no romantic intentions for you in the long term. None. Zero. Not into that. She catch me one time, and then I took her out the second time. The second time I was like, nope, separate check please. You know what's messed up too? She ordered a really expensive dish. So I'm like, yeah, better have money if you pay for that, you know, cause don't look over that side here. You know want me as your man? Me not go play no man role where you know want me. Yeah, look a boopsie. I man is no boopsie. No siree Bob. But it's true, like how exactly do you expect me to keep taking you out? And then you come tell me about, oh, you don't really want a romantic relationship with me. I'm like, alright, cool. I don't want any financial relationship with you. I don't want to be paying for your stuff and not getting anything in return. No, fuck that. Me if you take you out as a friend and pay for your food as a friend all the time? No, sir. My world don't spin that way. Hello. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk.
Yo, family, good night, man. What going?
Good night, what gone?
Yeah, man, you're a star, you know.
Me a chatting. So what gone?
Something where you ask are some real thing. You get me? And I see some of them Jamaican money. Some of them are going to vex about it, but it have to be said. And them things are something I'm talking about all the time.
No, but the thing is,
one thing. Them know so them not why.
The thing is, me alright for date. Me alright for date and pay for your woman, you know, right? Me alright for pay for every single date. Right? Me drive you go home and pick you up and all them things. They use my gas money and all of that. But the minute me know say you not serious for a relationship, it done this so for me. It done this so.
I see them way so you go. And you see when you tell them and them still come with them game, boy, may I tell you. Like you say, separate check. Me know, me pay for the date and just know say I eat that no more day. That's so me see. Me like, hey, no more date. Me not link them again. Number.
Yeah, no, black and delete same time. Black and delete same time.
Yes, walk past them like me don't even know them on the road.
Yeah, you don't need to stress yourself, so.
God, they're wicked, man. And
yeah, some of them. No, but you have to know how to ask them the question, them, you know. You have to know how to ask them the question, them. So you know if she's serious or not, you know.
And me see them also something in the comments for let's call it, you know, culture and blah blah blah. I believe you know not so much to do with culture. I believe sometimes it have to do with women all around, especially the ones them in the West. And when we say the ones them in the West, I not just talk about Jamaica no man.
You talk foreign and everything too.
Foreign and all of them, because most of them grew up in the West and the West Valley. And Valley come from the music video with the little liar they are winding up and I say this and that and I man have to buy this and the next one, then go to them have this and a body. But man I heard hard to them money and them take the money and take them they money to give them this and a body.
No, but that for me, personally for me, that's alright. If the woman is your woman, you have to spend money on her. That is what me think. Right? If me in a relationship and my woman asks me for something, matter of fact, she'd even have to ask me for nothing. Me give her things. Right? Me work. Right? Once she take care of me, me take care of her.
See me, sir.
Right? Yeah, it have a balance. But not, you know, the first stage is she just feel entitled and everything. No, sir, me no in that. Me no in that.
No, man, you see, them woman have the mentality because them are woman. That's so
no,
they think about it, you know. So one of them one time, so I prefer to buy 2 prostitutes.
Jesus Christ, no. You're gone far from that one there now. You're gone far from that one there now, brother.
Yeah, man. No, because you have to tell them when I say my friend for stuff. You get 2 prostitutes and we go have fun. And then we go back to me. Yeah, because the point of it all. The point of it all really to get to know some girl is that the kill.
Yeah, me get you.
We do all of the nice things to her after. We take care of her.
Yeah.
We want something to do. And she have a 2 pick around this one. And she want KFC. She get the KFC because I come to the kill. Hey, may I give her a joke?
Same so. Yeah.
What do you say? I like I believe a social media. One say, you must have gone one party and you book a girl, right? So the girl log on to him for a bit. And I make him know say, I don't know if you watch the man and blah blah blah. The party, alright. Then at the party no one he might be alright. Anything much you want rum, fish, get and everything. And when him say my leave now, she has to come with him. They must go home and him tell her she say him want, you know? After that good man, very, himself on the way. He want to take and make a drop her for a yard, then just get it, buy it out of money, drop her for a yard. So she want weed, and she want liquor, and him to get it again. And must be $5 grand. She go buy a condom. And when she come back, she give him a change. say never pay that no money still and thing. So the
Mm-hmm.
boss will go in and I'll take that thing in the morning, In
Mm-hmm.
the morning. The girl transfer from the boss and I say, yo, just defend 40,000 right now. You see?
The man get hold for
Right.
ransom.
Yes, so the boss I say, yo, geez, you give your money last night and me I take care of you from last night and everything. The girl said to him,
Ransom.
say, you ever hold off a rape charge yet?
No, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. No. Mm-mm. That wicked brother. Mm-mm.
The man said,
Mm.
the man said, when you hear that, his boss said he never draw the 40,000 they make the job get
Jesus
money.
Christ. Oh, no. That rough. That rough enough. No, sir, yo. That rough.
The man said it
Ah,
cost him
boy.
about, when him check it cost him about almost 70,000. When him
Hmm.
check it up, but him say, never again.
That is a $70,000 lesson him better learn.
And that he must learn because he must say, what happened is that him couldn't get it out because him married. No one to
Oh,
wife, so he couldn't know about it and him family. That is it.
that's why him go wrong now. That's why him go wrong. So him should not do that in the first place.
Yeah, I tell you.
So him not have nobody but to blame but himself.
Yeah, but you know, see, a girl play her game good enough because she look like
Eh,
she target in
Look,
her
so
body from the team. She has say,
no,
how
sir.
really going to say, him friend call him out and yeah, to call him party because he really want to get tired.
Mm-hmm.
And call him. And say, by the time he reach a party and tell you and call him, begging must be run down with team one because team one never that feel well. Then friend
Mm-hmm.
gone. So he might log on now and next week, girl, I tell him for a long time, see I watch him now. That trouble to that.
Man get
After them
chopped.
say, and it's so funny, the things that what people do for money.
Mm-hmm.
I want me to know if more than enough time if people realize that money is just a thing that most that is used to exchange.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in a relationship with a woman that's supposed to be determined or dictated by money. The harmony of the relationship not to be dictated by money. A 2 shilling.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have 2 shilling now, you're not nice.
Yeah.
The time when you have 2 shilling, she vex to you and a be attention to the place. And then when 2 shilling come out again, nice again.
No, sir. Can't deal with them there. Can't deal with them there.
I tell you, Kirk,
Not
it rough.
not long term at least. Not long term.
Let me tell you something. So, I see the things here right now. I see most people are step on that better than them single. Because when they're single, they're not have to deal with nobody like that. Them are them picnic. I know, that's what he say. Just weird. Just
Mm-hmm.
weird. Tell them people give thanks to give them.
Yeah, man. Cause you did a talk, so me did a, me did a just show the hand sign. But yeah, thank you everybody for the gifts and the roses. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
All right, brother. Thanks for calling in.
Yeah, man, my family. Bless up yourself, man.
Ah, bless up.
Yeah, sorry to you.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
Yeah, man.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
I have a question.
Sure. Go ahead.
My question is, if you get caught cheating, what would you do?
First of all, I would never get caught cheating.
Nah, generally speaking.
No. First of all, I would never get caught cheating because Jamaican men don't cheat.
You can't be lying on the show. Don't be lying.
Alright, even my phone fell and laughed. Even my phone fell and laughed.
Okay, allegedly, right?
Allegedly.
Don't give bond, right?
No, I don't.
For the general...
For the general public, I'm guessing that's what you're gonna say because your internet is coming in and out, so you're breaking up a little. Oh no, Marsha got disconnected. Alright, we'll get back to that question when Marsha comes back. Hello, Miss Fab.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
I don't have one, so I don't
You
think
don't
anything
have
will
one.
hurt.
Oh no.
No, I don't.
So what question do you have for me tonight?
Just basically, where are you though? Where are you living?
I'm in Jamaica.
Yes, you're which parish?
I operate a wholesale in St. Catherine, Spanish Town.
Okay, Spanish Town. Are you married?
Hold on, we're not talking about me tonight. No, I'm not married.
If I have any question, and that is my question.
No, I'm not married. I'm not married.
Okay, good. Okay, that's my
Yeah.
question.
All right.
All right, bye.
All right, have a good night. My question didn't get answered. Sorry. All right. So allegedly, I can't even imagine this situation because, yeah, there is no good answer to that situation. What would you do if you got caught cheating? I don't know. I really don't know. Like, sorry? Like, if you walk in the room with me and another woman, what else am I going to tell you? Sorry. That's it. That's all I'm going to say. That is my answer. I'm just going to say sorry. And then whatever you want to do, you do. Alright, next one. Yellow Moon.
Why pray? I'm a Rasta.
Yeah, alright, come in.
Alright, no smoke.
Hope the connection good enough. Walk on, Rasta.
Blessed.
Bless up.
Every time. You hear me now?
Yeah, me I hear you better now.
Alright, no. From me a little boy that grew up sick. Them a teach me about God. I mean love God. The God that them a teach me about, they love Him. Because the thing what them tell me that Him do. If one like me not love Him, well then boy, me no nothing good. And I would like to be like Him. No. The one you tell me, you know, which way we can be like Him. Tell me now, which way we can be like Him.
So as the good book would say, treat others how you would like to be treated.
Yes.
Right? So do good unto others and good will come back to you.
Yes.
You see me?
Yeah.
Right? Love thy neighbor.
Yes.
As you would love yourself.
Yes.
Exactly so.
Alright. No. In a real life, me I deal with now in a real life. In a spiritual life. No, in a real life, no, there are some people love some people. So, if I only some people love some people, that means I, Zion, never love some people.
That reasonable.
Alright.
But at the same time, at the same time, if you want to be more godly, per se, right?
Yes.
I would say you give love until they give you a reason to take away the love.
Yes.
Sound good?
Yes. But from I have been growing up, I have given the love, and I have receiving instead of the love that I am giving.
We live in an unfair world sometimes. Just make sure your heart stay clean, and then that's all you need in this world.
Alright, yes. But don't care how clean you try to be. There will be someone somewhere pointing finger at you.
That's alright. Listen, may I just end this call with that little piece piece of advice here, right?
All right.
I want you to hear me good.
Yes.
A lion
Yes.
does not lose sleep over the words of a sheep.
That is true. You know why?
So just remember, say you are the lion.
All right. You said the word then. You said the word.
All right. So I hope that helped. Yeah, I hope that helped. Yeah, man.
I am.
All right. Have a good night.
Blessed.
Yeah, man. All right. That was a bit off topic, but it was still a fun chat. It's fine. It's all good. What is my love language? Food. Food is my love language. Yeah, give me some good food. Yeah. If you catch me belly, you'll catch me heart. Yes, just don't give me no stew peas though, you know. You see, there's somebody just type it. As me said, don't give me no stew peas. I'm fine with vegetables. It's just because most of the times people make stew peas with like what's it called, pigtail, and I don't eat pork anymore. I haven't eaten pork in 4 years. Can I cook? I can help myself. I can follow a recipe, but I am no chef, which is why I need a woman who can cook well when I'm getting married. Ooh, yo, long time enough. Some rundown. Hey, wanna stop make me hungry? Stop talk about food. Stop make me hungry. I want some rundown. Stop it. I went to Meadowbrook High. Yeah, it's basically a relationship hotline. You can call me on your cell phone late night when you need my love. Good night. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt? So, mama, what is your relationship question?
Oh, you know when a man wants. Alright, how do you know when a man
If he's invested in you? Interested. When he's making an effort. Yeah, when he's making an effort to get to know you. Right? Not just a talk to you and a look you and, you know, tell you say you look nice and him would do you this in a bed and that in a bed or whatever. No. When he might try to get to know you as a person. You see me? So, if he might try to get to know you as a person, then I'm interested. Right? But if him just want a little piece, maybe that alone him want.
Maybe a one night stand.
Exactly so.
Yeah.
So I hope that helped. Alright. Thank you for calling. Alright.
Hello, it's Ashley.
Hello, Ash.
How are you?
I'm okay. Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
That hurts. I love your video.
Thank you.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica. Yes.
Yeah, I see the video. It must have been in Jamaica here.
You're breaking up.
I said, I hear a little patois with the Chinese. Say something.
There is no Chinese in my accent. Thank you very much.
Yeah?
There is no Chinese accent at all.
Yeah?
Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
You're from Jamaica. Where are you living? I hear an accent.
Oh, South?
Savlamar?
Yep.
So why you sound foreign?
Because my husband is white.
Because your husband is white?
Yeah.
Alright. I get you.
Yeah.
Alright, so thank you for calling in. If you have any relationship questions before I hang up, please ask it now.
I got what you said about relationship.
Sure, go ahead.
Just want to hail you.
All right. Take care.
All right, you too.
As for whoever just asked me if I'm single, I am not seeking a relationship at the moment. And yeah, that's all I'm willing to answer. What's my type? Beautiful, smart, with a clean heart. And she can cook. Bananas or yam? None of them. Dumpling. Dumpling, me say. All day, every day. And plantain. I'll take a boiled plantain and 3 dumpling. Thank you. Put some stewed chicken gravy on it. Yeah? And now give me all of the ribs. Don't give me the ribs in the stewed chicken. Give me the thigh, give me the breast. Sweet potato, alright too, yeah. Potatoes in a Jamaican breakfast? Hardly. Fried breadfruit is good. Roast breadfruit is good. Listen. You people in Guyana are the only ones who call it chicken curry. Okay? Every other Caribbean country calls it curry chicken. Every other one. But then again, I think you guys have like a different language influence. Isn't Guyana influenced by like the Spanish or something like that? Was Guyana a Spanish colony? That's what I want to know. British? Then why the heck would you call it chicken curry instead of curry chicken? Because I'd understand if Guyana was a Spanish colony in the past. That way the language is affected by Spanish grammar, which usually puts the description first, then the noun after. Okay, darling, if that's what you guys call it, then that's fine. But just know that we and everybody else in the whole wide world call it curry chicken. Yeah, this turn English class apparently. Apparently this turn English class. Wanna stop debating. Stop arguing with the Guyana people. They will call it chicken curry. Okay? We don't have any objections what they call it. We will call it curry chicken. Alright? Yeah, Portuguese language structure is similar to Spanish as well. So if it was a Portuguese colony or, have Portuguese influence, then understandable. Portuguese and Spanish, as I mentioned, do that. That's okay. You can call it whatever you want, Marsha. You can call it anything. I'm not going to try to correct you guys. So don't try correct me when I call it curry chicken. That's all I'm saying. Did you think Caribbean takes tourism seriously? As serious as they can, maybe, because for Jamaica, I think that's what 60-something% of our income is based on tourism. Is it 60 or 70? Some ridiculously high number. 60% is pretty high. I mean, I would like to see our exports go up. That would definitely help a lot so that we're not totally reliant on tourism. So if another pandemic is to hit, God forbid, the whole island is not struggling so much. Bahamas is 80. Bahamas making money though. Bahamas is consistent with their tourism. That's the thing. Jamaica is kind of like seasonal and a whole bunch of issues actually. Yeah, because we really need the government to step up with funding and all of that stuff to get our exports up again. I think we can be better in terms of like exporting sugar and coffee and other crops as well. We have a whole lot of stuff that we can export. That is true. Jamaica needs a lot of work in terms of like improving the economy and being more self-sufficient. I don't think the government not pulling their weight and the people in general aren't doing a lot as well to help build up the economy. So it's like, it's very difficult to get the economy going if we're so reliant on tourism. We need to like improve our agriculture, get better deals in terms of exporting the crops. We need to lower electricity costs. That is one of the biggest things why we don't manufacture so much. Electricity cost here is ridiculous and not competitive compared to other countries. So yeah, we need to find out how to get cheaper electricity, especially for the factories. They can invest in solar. That's one option, but that's a huge investment. And the government is not doing a lot in terms of like providing green energy to the people. And also they're not getting deals on like green energy as well. Yeah, we don't have much leverage when it comes to the global market to get cheaper electricity. That's one of the things as well. JPS does need competition. But then, the history of JPS is... didn't some foreign country buy out JPS? I don't think Jamaica owns it anymore. I mean, it's named JPS, J for Jamaica, but I think some foreign company buy it out or something. Or they have a big stake in JPS. Yeah. So if other company buy it out or another country buys it out, then they have the majority of the say. Jamaica government doesn't have much of the say if they've bought over 50% of the shares. Actually, corruption is a major thing. That's another topic on its own. That's a big topic on its own. No, I don't have a degree. I dropped out of high school. High school? Yeah, high school. And then started my own business at 17. I've been a businessman since I was 17 years old. $5 billion from a boy band. From a boy band. Because they exported their culture successfully, Marsha. That's why. They've made a lot of music and they've capitalized on the fact that a lot of the people in the world right now have, what's it called? Yellow fever? A love for Asian men, I guess? That's why BTS is as successful as they are. Yeah, Korea is one of those countries who have successfully exported their culture. We, as Jamaica, could have done the same thing. We've done it before. We just need to figure out how to do it again. When Bob Marley was around, our culture was being exported successfully and profitably. Now it's like other countries can't relate to no Chapa song. Like, which other country going to relate to Chapa song? That's what I want to know. Maybe Nigeria. Maybe. Because they're kind of known for scamming as well. You notice like dancehall doesn't make much variety in music anymore. All of it is like gun songs and chopper songs. Gun songs and chopper songs. You even hear no good girls tune come out from when? Yeah, I think the music industry in Jamaica can get to that level again. They can. But I don't know what they're doing. Coffee is trying a thing. Coffee is doing well abroad. But we need more artists like Coffee with an exportable type of music that other countries can listen to and go, yeah, this is a nice song. You know, something that they can enjoy, something that they can relate to, that kind of thing. But no, what we're going to do? Just chop. Fully dance. Chop. Gun tune. Come on. We can do much better than that. I believe the artists are more creative than just gun tunes, chop a song. Yes, the local people love it, but like, they need to think bigger instead of just, locally. Get your music international. It's more profitable that way. Exactly. It's better to be a little fish in a big pond than a big fish in a little pond. I mean, dancehall in a sense does kind of follow hip hop with the whole glorification of violence, but it is what it is. People will always sing about what's affecting them in their environment. It's where they draw their inspiration from. I think regarding the education comment about not putting education to good use, the opportunities are not much here in Jamaica. Even if you get a good education, it's very difficult for people to get jobs in their fields unless you're like a doctor or something very relevant. It's very difficult for you to capitalize on your education out here. Alright people, I'm about to wrap up in 1 minute. Any final thoughts? I hope you guys enjoyed this live, by the way, with all the mix-up that we got earlier. For whoever is still here from then. Alright, everybody, good night. Thank you. Just take care, everybody. I'll see you all next time.